Well, hello guys, this is Monkey.D.Luffy from S.H.Figuarts. So let's check it out. Okay, let's take a look at the box. First of all, this is the basic style box of S.H.Figuarts. It says S.H.Figuarts Monkey.D.Luffy Romance Down Edition, and this is the authentic sticker. You can see the Luffy right there, and three arts of Luffy, and the Luffy with his poses looking very nice. The bottom side is Monkey.D.Luffy. Top side is his straw hats. Okay, let's check it out.
Without a sign, without grasping it, the real question to be asked.
This is what inside the box. This is the Monkey.D.Luffy figure right there. 3 extra faceplates, a mid and 4 sets of hands, interchangeable hair parts, and last but not least, his favorite straw hat. Okay guys, this is Luffy. First, let's take a look at his detail. And this is the head sculpt. Captures very well from Luffy on the anime or manga. And this is the sculpting of the hair. The paint job is nicely done from Bandai. And then the coat is nice. The paint job and sculpting really well done as well. And then his back, the skin tone, the pants, the sandal is superb. Okay, I have no complaint or issues from the figures or the look itself. So next I want to swap the head. So let's check it out. Can you swap the head between these two? The answer is you can. This is the Romance Down head sculpt. I want to put this to the time skip Luffy. Okay, let's try it. And put this extra head to the time skip Luffy. Yes, yes you can. Okay, if you get bored with the looks of your figure, you can swap the head and you get this Luffy. Both are really nice. Okay, next I want to try these articulations. For the articulations of Luffy Romance Down, I want to try. Wow, you can lift these arms about that high, and the torso movement is fantastic. Look at that. Wow, awesome. And how about the head or neck articulations? No issues. No issues. 360. And waist movement, solid. And this is what I'm curious about, is the legs articulation. Wow, look at that. Luffy can kick far like that. Wow. Wow. This is really nice. He can kick back that far. Oh guys, look at that. And front articulations, kick that far. And this is the unique parts, the knee articulations. Wow, look at that. You can pose this figure for fun. Look at that movement. Oh guys, this is awesome. Wow. How about the butterfly? No, I don't. This is no butterfly in joints, I'm sorry. But you can bring that arms like that, which is really nice. Look at that Luffy. Getting ready to launch his Gatling gun. Wow. Very nice. Look at that. This is a fun figure, guys. Look at that articulations. Look at that. Wow, awesome. Wow, look at that, guys. This is the fun part. This is called action figure for sure. You can do a lot of action pose with this figure, with a solid as heck. Wow, I like this. I like these articulations.
I'm a shapeshifter at Boost Masquerade, heart in both face and mind, all free for you to draw. I'm a shapeshifter, chained down to my core. Please don't take off my mask, my place to hide.
Okay guys, that concludes my review. This is by far my favorite Luffy figure from S.H.Figuarts. So much personality, the articulation is fantastic, accessories is a lot, and this is the time skip Luffy and the Gear 5 Luffy. So, which Luffy is your favorite, guys? Write in the comment sections. For me, is this Romance Down Luffy is my favorite. I hope you guys like my reviews. If you got any question, just ask in the column section, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you later. Bye.